And before this video even starts, I just want to go ahead and send my condolences to X. You're loved, you're missed. My condolences are out to his loved ones and his family. Just pray that they're safe. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. Hey man, it's your boy Xxxtentacion, aka CEasy, and welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a merch review over X's new, I think it's called the Revenge Tour merch collection. And something that I found out, if you guys have been watching the last previous tour merch videos, I've been on that wave for a little bit. Someone that told me that the whole Revenge stuff is actually X's like brand or whatnot. So it's cool that they've made these two artists, they had these two artists collab, on a little bit of merch. And the piece for Juice and X, that piece was pretty fire. Before this video gets started, I do want to go ahead and say thank you guys for all the support. Y'all literally been smashing like all of my vlog videos over like this past week or whatnot, so I appreciate that. Make sure that you guys go down below, hit the subscribe button, because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And make sure you guys go ahead and like this video. But without further ado, you guys already know how this goes. We're about to pull out the laptop. I'm about to go get my honest viewpoints. Alright, so before the video gets started, I do want to say that I wasn't like the craziest X fan, but I'll be lying if I said that I still to this day, I don't have like a lot of his music that I jam, because I ain't gonna lie, he made really good music. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get the screen recording going on. As you guys can see, my laptop is in my hand. Go ahead, hit that record. Ooh, okay, so you guys see, let me go ahead and refresh so we can get like a very good look at it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna see. Let me go ahead and decline this at the bottom. But yeah, so right now we have the Revenge Tour. It's right there. I'm seeing some straight pieces, they're staying with that, I feel like this is like the basic color thing, but from the looks of it, this piece right here, I think it's an off-white look. Yeah. So right now I'm seeing some black pieces, some white pieces, red, and then the off-white, like tannish. Yeah, I'm kind of messing with this one. Let's go through. I like those shorts. $8. Revenge Tour shorts 3. How many Revenge Tours has he had? Was that the date of the second Revenge Tour? Oh shoot. Dang. Oh shoot, this chain fire. And this chain look dope. Oh shoot, this is my first time seeing some type of, I take that back, it's not my first time seeing some jewelry, but seeing something like this, I kind of vibe with this one. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at some of the posters. It's kind of different. Okay, so we got the Revenge Tour. Okay, so you can't make it full screen for them, but you can zoom through it. Live from Los Angeles, dang, 2017. The Los Angeles one. Okay, $25, not a bad price. Oh, you gotta pre-order them. Oh, these are all pre-orders. Oh shoot. So that was the chain that they had, that was like his go-to chain. Okay, I'm messing with it. The last one, come on. Oh, he on his rock star stuff. Okay. Okay, so right now, we just went through the posters. This is probably looking like one of my favorite pieces. This is adjustable 28-inch chain. This is kind of live. I wish they gave a better description. You know what I'm saying? Like, what make your neck turn green? Is it stainless steel? Is it sterling silver? Like, you know what I'm saying? Is it plated? You know what I'm saying? But from the looks of it, just like that, it is pretty fire. I would definitely want to cop this. But for $75, I don't know. Just because of the fact they didn't give me any description of like what I'm supposed to be expecting, like, or they didn't even give a description over the size of the chain. You know what I mean? But the shipping time for them does seem a lot better, saying 5 weeks. Okay, what does this hat say? But I'm still liking that chain. It says, "What is real will prosper." All right. Let's check out the back. Got him, the Revenge Tour. All right, so it's cool. Gray wash, screen printing, and embroidered graphics. What part is embroidered? The front. What part is it? maybe the back is embroidered. I don't know. It's a screen printed and embroidered graphics. So whenever one of you guys get this piece, go ahead and let me know. And now we got the mask. Of course, to go with the mask. I like this mask. This is what is Roll and Prosper. Yeah, this mask is pretty live. This is a pretty dope mask. I'll definitely say it's reusable and washable. See, like, how come they didn't give a description like this for the chain? I ain't gonna lie. So right now, let me rank this real quick. Obviously, the chain, number 1, mask, and then 2, 3 would be the hat. As you guys can see, like, I got high hair as of right now, so you don't really catch me rocking mask. And then they got socks. I'm gonna just be real with you guys. I'm not the, like, I ain't a big fan of socks. Like, of course I wear socks, but I'm saying I'm not like crazy over designs on socks. You know what I mean? I used to be rocking like my low cut socks, ankle socks, or like no shows for like a majority of my fits or whatever. Just throwing like a pair of Nike socks, I keep it pushing. But for 25, yeah, I'm just like, bro, man, I can get a pack of Nike socks. And I feel like I'm talking too much. But I mean, these like, this print is live though. The Revenge Tour, it's a cool color. For sure. Let me see if I could. I'll tell you guys which one of these are my fave. So this one, you got the Revenge Tour. It's going all the way around. I think it's gonna have to be this black pair. I think this black pair is definitely my favorite. Yeah, I'm liking this one just because black socks. And then yeah, I like this one the most. Because in my opinion, the middle one is kind of loud for me. The red one, I mean, it's cool. Like, but the black one is definitely a go. And for this skate deck, right? Okay, so I saw whenever I was looking at the website earlier in the day, it was like you had to join like some waitlist to get a chance to win it. I don't know if it was for a different skate deck. You guys let me know. But this is actually something that's cool. Like, I was thinking about having like different type of skate decks because I've seen like different people in like their room tours, or like, you know what I'm saying, like it's like some hype rooms. Like they'll have like a whole like wall or section that could be above like their desk where they have like cool, unique little skate decks. And to me, that's actually very, very cool and unique. And I feel like this one would be like a great one to essentially go ahead and add. So that, I'm messing with this. I actually like this a lot. Like, I'll have this up there with the chains because I feel like it's a cool accessory. Or if like you're a skater, you might actually use it for skating. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so if we're ranking, again, chain. I already know how I be with chains. I love this stuff. So 1 is the chain, 2 skate deck, 3 mask, 4 this pair of socks. We're gonna have 5 the hat, and then 6 and 7. So that's my ranking. We got a few more. Yeah, we got a few more rows to go through. I'm kind of gonna speed this up. So we got the Revenge Tour, Wash Gradient. See what will go, Prosper. So this is just a cool regular tee, like nothing too special. Just go ahead, throw it on. You can essentially rock it with any outfit, and for the price, that's not even bad. Not from Atlanta. This one isn't my fave. I like the red one a whole lot better. Live from Atlanta. I mean, this one's chill, same price. Okay. I kind of like this one because y'all know I really like this wash type of color. It doesn't really say the shirt, I mean the color, but I'm assuming that it's gray. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Events Tour. Yeah, as of right now, that red one is definitely going the hardest. But these shorts, alright, I'm messing with these shorts, bro. Like, I'll definitely probably go ahead and get them in like small. Because if y'all know anything about me, I rock short shorts. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't like baggy shorts. Never did. Oh, but it doesn't even, they don't have no sizing chart on this, bro. That's the thing, like, they're not giving a lot of description for these pieces, but this is fire. I definitely like these shorts, bro. You can definitely style these pretty nice. Okay. And then we have a few more. Let's go check out this hoodie. Bottom with the hoodie. This hoodie is very, very unique. Like, if I had to copy any one of these hoodies, I would definitely go with this one. This is different, you know what I mean? I definitely like this hoodie. So as we can tell, like, these two pieces, these combo pieces, 1 and 2, don't get me wrong, you're not gonna catch me wearing these in like an outfit, like a combo like that. But what you will see me go ahead and do is, like, I'll probably get both of these pieces. Now we're gonna look at the shorts. These shorts essentially match the shirt, which is supposed to be this one. It's like the same, and I'm pretty sure this is supposed to go with this. Yeah, live from Atlanta. Yeah, for sure. All right, no. This is supposed to go with this. Okay. But nah, that's a whole 3-piece set. You get a full outfit. You get the shirt, you get the hoodie, and you get the pants. I'm so dead, bro. I'm so dead. I mean, this hoodie is straight. It's straight. Like, y'all already know my favorite hoodie. I just said it's this one for sure. Okay, and nah. This might not be my favorite hoodie. So, first of all, if y'all know me with long sleeves, I mean, like, they chill. I don't go too crazy for them. This one is straight. It kind of goes with the shirt. Xxxtentacion. Okay, we got this. Oh, they got a whole 5-piece set for this one. You get a shirt, you get a long sleeve, you get a hoodie, and you get shorts. Wait, did I miscount? 4-piece? You know, yeah, they got a whole 4-piece set. The only thing they're missing is like some sweatpants. Okay, so we got this revenge one. I mean, this one's cool. Again, if I went to like the concert and I saw this piece, this would be up there. It would definitely be up there for me to cop. Actually, I would. I kind of like this one. This is going to be up there in the rankings for sure. For sure. So, let's go ahead and take a look at this last piece. This piece is fire, bro. I actually really like this hoodie, the Revenge Tour hoodie. I like this hoodie a lot. Revenge Tour. I don't know. He has no drawstrings, which sucks. Just give me like some vampire vibes. No cap right here. But no, I'm messing with this. Okay, so let's go ahead. I just went up. I'm going to go ahead and get with the rankings. This one's going to have too much hype around it, I guess. And these pieces, they're like, I feel like all these pieces are very, very wearable. So, of course, I'm still going to rock number 1. And before I even go, I remember last time I was struggling with this. Let's count and see how many things I got. So I got 4, 8, 12, 16. We got 19 pieces. So we got 1 being the chain, 2 skate deck, 3 shorts, 4 this hoodie, 5 that hoodie, 6, 7, go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Keyway, you're a genius.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so I think I got it this time. Y'all basically see my rankings, my top 5. I just go over it. We got the chain, skate deck, shorts right here, hoodie, and then shirt. So those are my top 6. If I have to get any pieces, if I had to cop 1 piece right now, it would definitely probably be the chain or these shorts right here. Because I just kind of like them. I feel like they're different, they're nice. I just don't know the material, if they got pockets. They didn't really give a great description over it. So guys, just overall, with those words, I mean, it's good, you know what I mean? For me, since I'm not like the craziest fan, but I do mess with his music. Like I said, like something I'll definitely probably want to get is either the shorts or the chain. Those are probably the 2 pieces that I would probably want to go ahead and get. But other than that, I mean, it's a cool layout, you know what I mean? They have cool little pieces. It is kind of more of like just the standard pieces that anyone could wear. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too loud, but I do like how they had like the hoodie and the shirt with like the graphic prints. I am messing with that. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, go down below. Make sure you smash up this like button. I got a whole lot more videos, a whole lot more content on the web. Also on top of that, go ahead and I got a few questions for you guys. Are you copying the pieces and are you not? And just go ahead and let me know why. So, without further ado, man, y'all make sure y'all smash up that freaking like button. Hit the subscribe button because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9.